So here we go. The first stage, the oral stage. That oral stage is between birth 0 to 1 year or 18 months. This is when their mouth is the focus, right? So all these babies think about is food, 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 suck, 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 swallow, 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 right? And get that nipple, get that breast. So that is what this stage is all about, being able to get food or not get food. So again, according to Sigmund Freud, he says if you don't get food, you will not be able to trust people and you will not be able to be dependable because you're going to want to be more selfish and more aggressive and getting things for yourself. Because at that stage, if you got stuck and you were in a situation where you were not fed properly, and we do know there's situations that can happen, they're saying that there is a correlation to you growing up and not being trusting and not being independent, right? You become very dependent and you're always suspicious. So that is where not getting food as a baby can impact you as you grow up into adulthood and you get stuck there. Getting too much food can make you aggressive and dominating, right? And getting too much food, they say, can actually make you eat, overeat, bite your nails, right? Talk a lot, okay? So it's very important to also not overdo it. So you want to have a balance like everything in life. So you get too much food, become aggressive and dominating. You get too little food, you have trusting issues, and you're not very independent. So that is the interesting thing. So if you're finding yourself in a relationship with somebody that's having issues, I wonder if they were fed as babies. And you really, really should take home the message here, which is how did your partner grow up? How did you grow up? Was it messed up? Was it healthy? And if it was, you're going to be healthier in terms of relationships. But if it was messed up, you're going to have issues. So I want to pinpoint some of the areas where if you go back and you can think how you were brought up or how you bring up your kids, be careful because you don't want to repeat the mistakes that you had done to you. You want to improve it and you want to make sure that your children don't go through that so they can have a better chance of having a healthy relationship than even we did.